7. Great people.
Dog boy did there. Epautus did there.
Exactly.
Captain did there.
Good people.
Lord Richie did there. At this point, sir,
real good people. The Asian good people. Don't know these crowd people. They came in.
Some people. You see these miscreants. Now they now hand go meet. They are just like 2%. And go meet them. Obo have here. When you are mutia, you dey Europe, they suit you. Social money. They can't do me anything, no. Why worry?
I'll tell me no guamba. Money no guamba. La no message ma. What?
Okay, I think that should be or something. I think so.
No, you get social no. Why is a TikTok? Why few get? It can wana migo ni ma go. And that's the truth. Where say?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, when they drop me, maybe bring someone else.
All at all. So, I think the next person now should be Angry Viper. After Angry Viper, then I think... wait, this is London. London, excuse me.
Please. Can I just say
London, where are you from? Sorry.
I live in the UK. That's why I just wanted to say something quick.
Where are you from in Nigeria, sir?
I'm a Benin man without being talking.
Okay, I beg you, fair with make Angry Viper talk, I beg.
I've been here for like 3 hours. I just wanted to say something quickly. I don't want to say too much.
If I make it talk, I did. Make it talk.
No problem.
I don't want to say too long. I just wanted to tell you something. If I can have your number and I have Madam Joy's number, I just wanted to say something to your inbox or to you guys to see something because I think this thing is just it's getting beyond. I don't know how to say, like, it's too much time in the UK, to be honest. Like, I'm a promoter. That's why I don't want to say too much. I don't want to go into details.
All right. I think it's better you inbox me or...
Yeah, that's why I say send me your number. I can send because I follow Madam Joy.
Inbox me.
But she doesn't follow me back because I've messaged her several times. She didn't reply.
Inbox me. And we'll talk about it, okay?
All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
No problem. Thank you. Mr. Viper, so you can say something, sir.
Walabo. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Let me start by saying this. The worst kind of battle you can fight.
Power tap, and share the live stream, guys. Thank you.
The worst kind of battle you can fight in this life is fighting the people outside and fighting the people within. That's the worst kind of battle you can fight. The reason I'm very happy all this is happening now is because at least we now know that there are some people in our midst that are hell-bent. They are hell-bent on destroying what our forefathers, our ancestors, used their blood and their sweat to build, the reputation that we have up until this very moment. One of the reasons Edo is respected all over the world is because of our cultures and tradition. And it was I think it's a long time coming. This ban was long overdue because you see every rat, every chicken coming out, posing as royalty. You can't do that in anywhere in the world. If you're not royalty, you're not royalty. You can't pretend to be royalty. So the ban was long overdue. So the fact that some people are crying about it makes me feel that yes, this culture and this tradition is actually something. It's something that we should be proud of, and it's something that we should be able to teach to our children. We can't teach our traditions to our children if transgender is using it for caricature. I can't teach such a tradition to our children. So it is very, very important that they did this. Now, everybody has spoken excellently, but what I would like to say is this. Not every Asian people, as everybody have rightly said, not every Asian people are doing this. It is important we are able to fish out the very foolish ones among them. The reason I said this is because my mom is Asian. My dad is an Ojo way in Benin, Upper Mumbai. You understand? Close to Uyo, sir. My dad is an Ojo. My mom is Asian. And she has always had respect and love for the Oba. My father is a traditional person. You understand? Whatever my father does that the Oba is doing, My mother is at the forefront of it. She respects our cultures. She respects our tradition. And you see, when I even showed one video to one Asian guy where I work here in the UK, the guy was like, what's this nonsense? You understand? So the very few ones among them, why una they do now? Una won't use legal catch some of them. You understand? Some of us still get underground work. We do. We say we don't want to cast ourselves, but any day we will catch any one of them, especially the Lily and the Do. I'm not threatening anybody. It is not in my nature to threaten someone. But you see, if the day we hand will touch those two, especially, make I leave her for there. Let me leave it there. So I'm begging each and every one of us, especially with the men. I can understand why the women are so upset. You understand? But I'm begging with the men, let's tread with caution. I'm happy all this is happening. At least, if anything solved tomorrow, we know how we want to fight the fight. You understand? This time, if you fight, you go to look your front, they look your back. Make your person where you call your brother, make it no stab you for back. That is how we are going to approach this. Everybody should be very cautious because we are living in very dangerous times. These useless Igbo people, they have tried their best to infiltrate everywhere because they know that the key to their destiny, to their future, is in the hands of Edo State. And my brother, that key will not throw me out for inside ocean. We don't throw me out for inside ocean. Those people, they will never be free. The Igbo people, as long as God and our ancestors live, these Igbo people, they will never be free. They will always be slaves in Nigeria, home and abroad. They will always be slaves. And I believe they are the ones orchestrating all these things at the background. Because I see no reason why a true Edo blood, you understand, will come out and you're insulting who? The people that don't have any level of authority in Asa land. You're coming out to insult who? It's crazy, man. It's really, really crazy. I grew up among Eastern people and all of them have respect for our cultures and traditions. Those days, if our papa, they do something, our papa, Oba, everybody did it in his house. I don't go talk, say, because I be Eastern. No. They see all of us as one. So, my brother, I'm going to stop there for now, but those people, I know see some of them, they comment section, they don't want that they listen. The day we and go touch you now. Okay. But I agree to my brother. Ma stop for there. I agree to you. I have a double.
I think again.
There's something I want to say. Just 1 minute, please.
Okay.
There's something we need to understand about these people. During the time of this Biafra war, you understand me? A lot of Igbo people that move from north, you understand? We move from north, they come. A lot of them stayed in Uromi. You understand? They find a safe home a safe place in Uromi. They base there, stay there. You understand? Marry, live there. So let me tell you one thing about this miscreants where they see. So cross-check them well. You will find out a majority of them, which is 90% are from Uromi. You understand? Of these useless people you just see for line, just found out about it. They are from Uromi. And this thing have started. And these things have started for long, You hardly see Epoma. Epoma na esa. Irwa na esa. The Emui na esa. You understand? There's a lot of Esan, you understand, city when you go hardly see from or see for all this nonsense. You see this thing has started for long, Say all these Igbo people way based there come become Esa, marry with the Esa women, marry with their men and the rest. They produce a lot of them produce a lot of bad blood for that place. I'm just telling you the facts. A lot of bad blood we they try to represent Esa in the bad way. You understand? That's why right from time, even when before traveling start, if you catch any armed robber, say na Esa person, find that na from Uromi. If you catch thief goat person, find that na from Uromi. These are the Igbo people that are based there during the time of the Biafra war, where be say they come turn to Esa. A lot of them. All these people, if you find that now, go cross-check them, you will see all of them get Igbo blood. Either from the mother side or from the father side. You understand? But you hardly see all this nonsense. Even when this traveling of a thing start, you find out say now they pack, this human trafficking. A lot of them do this human trafficking. If you go cross-check anywhere, maybe say you see that they do business, you see any Esan person, they found that now from Uromi. Anything bad where you find out come from Esan, they are from Uromi, because 50% of them in that Uromi where they see are mixed blood of Igbo blood. And they just found out this thing where they talk now, found out this thing. You hardly see any other, before you will see other pathways still be gradually say little bit similar. Now these people from what do they call it? I think this place here where Fabromo for go play one time like that, you understand? Now you find little from those side too. So this thing is just Igbo. These people get very, very, very bad blood of criminality. And it's very bad of them. There is nobody go fit change Igbo because criminal, they their blood. And if they miss their blood with you, be careful. Pray hard to deliver that blood, to give you a good product. If not, you will produce criminal too. Thank you.
Thank you, Abba. God bless you. Ege, are you there? Ege, Maria B. I think Maria B. Maria B. Yeah, Maria B. Are you there, Ege? Ege, are you there? We go to Child of Grace. Child of Grace, you can. No, sorry. I think no. Okay, Child of Grace. Yeah, then does it. All right, you can speak. Child of Grace, are you there? I've been a Child Grace, Abi. I don't know. Yeah, Child Grace. Child Grace, are you there?